Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to give you the first impressions of these two beauties. These are from Viseart, and I have to show you here the neutral matte palette and also this small palette called Chroma. Let me open it up for you. And it looks like this. So if you're interested in knowing how they work, please keep on watching. To begin, I'm going to apply the lightest color in this palette all over the lid to make a base. And for that, I'm going to use this Wayne Goss brush. As you can see, I barely tapped it in the pan and a lot of product came out. Usually, I like to cover my whole lid with a color very similar to my skin or with a lighter color. That way, anything that I put on the top, it's gonna get the true color. Because sometimes the eyelids can be a little red or it can be a different tone from the rest of the face. I like to have a clean canvas to work. These shadows are really easy to pick up. Just a few taps and the color is all over the brush. Oh wow, that's a lot of pigment. Wow, I was not expecting this. It definitely looks darker on my skin than it does on the pan. But as you can see, they're very easy to blend. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. I think this is a very good palette to start with this brand. Obviously, this is my first one, but I can already tell that the shadows are very easy to blend. They work beautifully, and honestly, just with that shade, I have an eye look, a classic eye look. Very nice. Well done, Viseart. With this Sonia G brush, I'm gonna pick this color here and apply it in the center. I think these shadows are so easy to use that even a person who's not experienced with makeup would find that it's not hard to make a look with this palette. I don't know, I haven't tried the other one yet. Will we use that for the bottom lash? But I think it's gorgeous. And lastly, I'm gonna go into the brown with a brush that looks like this and just barely tap it and go a little bit in the outer corner. Yeah, there's pigment in there for sure. I am very pleased with the shadows that I have tried so far. So this is what it looks like. I only use those colors for now, but I'm gonna try to use one or two colors from the other palette so we can get an idea of how it works. I will be using the black one from this palette. Again, the pigment is there. I just think I used a wrong brush to apply that color with, but we're gonna smooth it out. So this is how it's looking so far. And for the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna be using the white one. And this is the final look. I am really impressed with this formula. It's very easy to use, and I feel that it will take no effort to achieve from a simple look all the way to a really intense smoky eye. Now, I don't know how long it lasts. I have yet to do a wear test, but I will be doing more looks with these two palettes and also wear test on my Instagram. So if you are curious to see how all the colors work, you're welcome to follow me there. One thing that is very interesting about this brand is that all the pans have these indentations here where you can take them out and switch them with another color, and also this one has it, so you can mix and match. They have a lot of different palettes, and you can make your own palette, and that is very convenient for travel or just to pick your favorite colors. And this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this type of content of luxury makeup reviews and also first impressions, feel free to subscribe and also to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you'd like to see more photograph or products and also written reviews, feel free to join me on my Instagram. And I will see you in the next video. So if you're interested in... Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello gorgeous. Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen.